In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip plans in Stack. To get things started, let's begin by visiting the Stack login page. You can easily access this through your preferred web browser. Once you're on the page, the next step is to log in using your Google account. Simply click on the Login with Google button to proceed. This is a great way to quickly and securely access your account without the hassle of remembering additional passwords. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on a page that lists all your projects. Simply locate and click on the project you'd like to work on. You'll be directed to the project's main workspace. From here, look for the Plans and Takeoffs option and give that a click. This is the section where you can manage and edit your plans. This is where the main action happens, and you'll be spending a lot of your time here. Next, take a look at your list of plans. Beside the name of each plan, you'll notice three little dots. Those dots are your gateway to more options. Click on the three dots next to the plan you wish to rotate. This opens a menu with various functions, and now you're almost there. From the menu, select Rotate Right. Each time you click this, your plan will rotate 90 degrees clockwise. You can continue clicking Rotate Right until you achieve the desired orientation of your plan. Whether your plan was upside down or just slightly off kilter, this feature allows you to finesse it into just the right position. So here's a pro tip. As you rotate your plans, take a moment to pause and examine if the orientation matches your requirements. Everyone's projects are a bit different, and sometimes you might need to rotate more than once to get things perfectly aligned. There you have it. You've successfully rotated your plan in Stack. This functionality is incredibly useful when dealing with plans that come in all sorts of orientations, perhaps scanned in a less than ideal manner. Now, with just a few clicks, you can ensure every detail is viewable exactly how you need, preventing any misunderstandings or errors due to misaligned plans. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Being able to easily rotate and adjust your plans is invaluable for maintaining smooth project workflows. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thank you for watching, and make sure to practice using these steps whenever you're dealing with plan orientations in Stack. Happy planning!